Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add notes in your workflows. So here is a new feature of Pabbly Connect which allows you to add notes in each step of your workflow, which enables you to create well-documented, transparent and efficient automation workflows that will support your business objectives and can also enhance the collaboration among your team members. So this is a workflow which I've already created with a name as Send Birthday Wish on Microsoft Teams from Google Sheets. It contains trigger and action steps. Now you can add the note according to your requirements in each step of your workflow, whether it is trigger, action or the heading, that means the title of the workflow. So first of all, let's start. How can we add the note in the title of the workflow? So I'm going to click on this three dots and here we will find multiple options. Among these options, we can find the option of add note on top. Let's select that. So this is the name of my workflow, Send Birthday Wishes on Microsoft Teams and Google Sheets. And here you can add the note you want. So I'm going to first of all add the note, let's say as check and update employee birthday list regularly to ensure accuracy. So this is the note which I want to add over here in the heading of this workflow. This will remind me to check and update employee birthday list regularly so that we can make the accuracy of this workflow. So I'm going to click on save. In the same manner, you have to add the note and click on save. And here you can see that the update is successful. So now when we'll cross this, we can find the option of notes over here. So if you want to read the note, you will just hover on this icon and you will see that the note which we have added is being displayed. Check and update employee birthday list regularly to ensure accuracy. So this was the step that how we can add the note in the title of the workflow. Now if you want to add the note in the trigger. So in the trigger, I have taken schedule by Pabbly. I want to schedule the workflow every day at a specific time. Alright, so I'm going to add a note over here. We will click on these three dots. We will click on add note option. And here I'm going to add the note, let's say as make sure to update the time accordingly. Okay, just a random note I have added. Now I'm going to click on save. And yes, here we can see that the update is successful. So we'll cross this, and as soon as we have done that, we can see that the note icon is visible over here. When you will hover on it, we can see that our note is visible. So in case if you want to edit the note sometimes after creating the workflow, then what you can do, you can just click on this note option, and from here you can very easily and quickly edit your note. So let's say I want to update this note as verify the time zone settings to ensure accurate filtering based on the current date. So this is the sentence which I want to add in the note further. So I'm going to click on save, and very easily the update is made. When you will cross this, here we can see that the note is updated accordingly. Now we will move forward and I'm going to show you how you can add the note in the action as well. So let's suppose I want to add a note over here in this Google Sheets action step. So I'm going to click on three dots. We will click on add note option. And now here I'm going to enter my note. So this is my note. Ensure the Google Sheets document is up to date with accurate employee details for personalized messages. Let's suppose I've added this note because I want to instruct to my team members that they have to regularly update the data we have in the Google Sheets of our employees. So this is my spreadsheet which I am maintaining for the employee details. So according to the new employee, the update should be made. So for that reason, I have added this note for my team members. Okay, so now I'm going to click on save. And yes, the update is successful. As we have done that, we can see that quickly the icon of this note is available over here. Suppose in your workflow, you are using router step, and in router, you are using two routes. So in each of the route, you can add the notes in the heading as well as in the action steps, each of the action steps which you are performing in the router according to your requirements. So here your notes can include some kind of suggestions for enhancement, optimization or for future updates of your workflows. This will help you to continuously improve your workflows according to different requirements. Okay, and also if you will share this workflow to somebody in your team, the team member will also be able to see the notes which you have added in the workflow. Okay, and accordingly they can act. So in this way, you can very easily use the function of notes, and you can add notes, add reminders in your workflow to make your workflows more effective and enhance the transparency of your workflow with your team members. And this will also effectively reduce the chance of errors in your workflows. So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.